Alright, hey guys, so got another video for you. Today I'm going to be putting this guy here in the ground. This is an American highbush cranberry I got from a place online, and it's a kind of hard to get your hands on here locally, which is why I had to get it online. But I've been wanting to get this one for a while now, and I put it into soak yesterday, and I did not mean for it to soak as long as it did. It's been just about 24 hours now, but I couldn't get to it yesterday. I thought I could, but it got dark and I had other things going on. But I'm ready to put it in the ground. I'm going to put it over here, and what I've done is I've dug out a decent sized hole, and I put most of my chicken manure that's been composting for about like 3 months now, so I think it's ready to be used. And then I'm going to be moving, I'm not going to film this, but I'm going to be moving all of the rest of my, it's a bit older compost, but I've got some fresher things in here. I'm going to be moving all of this over into that spot because I'm tired of having this in the middle of the yard. But yeah, so I'm going to get this guy in the ground, just kind of doing the same thing that I did with my trees. Got a big nice open hole I've already filled in and mixed some of that compost in with the existing dirt, and I'm just going to put that guy in the ground, and hopefully he'll grow by springtime. So yeah, that's what I got going today.